Hello everyone, I'm Rochelle and I am so happy to have you join me for today's adorable bunny basket tutorial. Easter is just around the corner, so let's hop to it. First, we're going to start by making the grass and bunny loops. To do this, find your strips and find the small mark near the ends of each strip as a guide for precise gluing. Pay attention to the numbers on the bunny strips to make sure the numbers read the right direction from the outside of the strip. Glue the grass and bunny strips together. Use a paper clip to hold them together while they dry and set them aside. Now we're going to do the cloud layer. It's a bit more rigid and takes some encouragement to form a smooth curve. Wrap it around a cylinder to help it form a circular loop. And then glue it to the guideline, making sure that the number reads correctly on the outside. Also glue it to the cloud and use a paper clip to hold it together. Set it aside to dry. Next up, we're going to assemble the rainbow. Take your white Easter eggs and look at the glue guide marks. There's a little guide for each strip. Take the strips and glue them to the Easter egg in the order pink, yellow, green, blue, purple. Once the strips are attached, they should look like this. Now you can set this rainbow aside to dry, and we're going to move on to the next step. Now we're going to take our loops and we're going to place the inner circles. Fold in the Easter eggs. You need to glue the inside of the eggs. Now set these aside to dry. The grass layer has an added circle to be glued onto the bottom. It forms the bottom of the basket. Now find your rainbow. Bend the eggs at a 90-degree angle, and then you're going to use that to glue, there's dots here, also guides, to the shaping circle. It's going to look like this. Set that aside to dry. You can paper clip it together. Now we are going to start by gluing and nesting the layers together, beginning with the grass and moving on to 2, 3, 4, and then eventually 5. What you need to do is be sure to align the ridges of the bunnies together. Glue them within each other, because that will help the bunnies align perfectly around little baby bunny. If all of these bunnies are adoring little baby bunny, then you've done it right. Now take your cloud layer that has dried. Find the ridge on the back. Glue the little Easter eggs. And align it with the ridges. Be careful of little bunny ears. Place that firmly together. Now find your rainbow that you've set aside to dry. Glue the bottom. Locate little baby bunny in the front and make sure this sweet little rainbow arches right over the top of little baby bunny's head. Press these layers firmly together and set that aside to dry. And in no time, you will have the most adorable bunny basket, just perfect for your little bunnies. If you like the bunny basket, be sure to join me for my next tutorial where we will make this adorable pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Just perfect for your St. Patrick's Day treasure hunts. See you next time. Bye.